Hello, if you really want to make free deepfake video like this, then watch the full video till the end. But before that, just watch it. This is the final output. Okay, so making this video, you have to be clear with your name. Like it will rename your file name in a simple way, and then I will give you a link in a description. Just go to that link, and here you will come. And after that, here you have to install this icon. Just click on this, and it will take 10 to 12 minutes, depend on your internet connection. And after that, just go to the files and upload your files, your actual video, and in which and the image which you want to insert in that video. Just go to this file and click, and then upload it from there. Right now I am uploading here Johnny Depp and Junior Robert videos, because I am a big fan of both, so that's why. So yeah, after uploading, you can see at the bottom right now the upload is going on. It will, if your internet is slow, then it will take time, so don't get panic, because it is a free though, so you have to cost it by your time. And after uploading, let's move to the further process. Wait a minute for this. Yeah, you can see now it take this much time, and successfully the first phase is done, successfully completed. And after that, you have to go to the bottom, and here there are two options, but for better quality, you will choose the second one, like I did. Just go to the second one, and here you have to choose this one. But before executing it, just at the source and the target, we have to give the path of our own file which we recently uploaded here. So just go to this triple dot, copy the path, and then paste the path of the image in the source, and replace it, copy and paste it. And then similarly, just copy the path of the video as well, and replace it at the place of target. Just simply copy and paste, replace it. And after replacing, just execute this one as well. Click on that icon which you are seeing, just click on that, execute it. And if you have a little bit slow internet, then it will take approx 18 minutes, so just leave it. Or if you have a good internet connection, then definitely it will take hardly 12 to 13 minutes, or maybe less. So don't get panic, it will definitely work for you. So yeah, now it is installation is started, and the processing is going on. And yeah, after see this much of time, because my internet is not that much good, so after this much of time it is completed, and you can see everything is successful here. So yeah, the deepfake is already done, and the best part of this process is it is completely free. So just go to this, and you can see here there is a file name. Just download this one face, you can see the name. Just click on this triple dots, and you have got a download option. Just download it. This is an actual deepfake video of Robert. So yeah, just download it and wait for downloading, and then yeah, you are good to go. Your video is completed. Thank you.